Wow. I'm so proud of myself.
I tried telling y'all.
I love bread. Like, me and bread, we go together. So many different kinds of breads with different flavors and characteristics, and honestly, just that alone could really be its own video. And I'm just kind of using what I already have in my fridge. This was not planned, so I'm kind of just going with the flow. I'm just gonna slice her all the way through. Look at that bread, yeah. A little bit, ooh, okay. This has a big opening. So I'm just gonna put my mayo. I honestly don't like my sandwiches like too dressing-y. Now I don't think there's gonna be enough mustard for my sandwich, so I'm just gonna put it on one side. At least I have it. I'm grateful. Like, for me, that's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like, just enough. Like, I just love arugula, so I'm gonna put a lot. A lot. So. Boom. Shaboom, shaboom. Now that's what I'm talking about. Onion. And I'm a big fan of onion, so I'm actually gonna put a lot. Sometimes I'll even eat the onion just like this with a little bit of olive oil, sea salt, and pepper, and some lime juice, and call it a day. Like, that's an actual snack for me. My banana peppers. And the cool thing about a sandwich is that there is no right or wrong. You literally just make it how you like it, because that's your business. Boom, that looks really good. I'm actually gonna eat another onion because that was delicious. For the other, hold on. For the other side, I'm going to put my mashed chickpea. Again, no right or wrong, just doing what I feel. Gonna sprinkle some on the veggie side, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a dash of garlic powder, and honestly, mushrooms are just a great meat replacement, especially if you don't really want to use like the vegan fake meat, even though, you know, sometimes I'll have like a little vegan turkey or something like that, but there's just nothing like mushrooms, to be honest. I didn't have any in my fridge, but I would definitely put like some vegan like Gouda or like vegan white cheddar or something where the mushrooms are, just to really, you know, but again, using what we got. I really don't even know how to close this. Maybe if I do something like this. Ah, she is a skilled chef. Oh my God. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Wow. Got got my ice cold water. Put some chips on the side.